In today's video, I'm hanging out with my favorite girl, and if you clicked on this video, then you probably are trying to figure out how are you gonna get your babies to take vitamin D supplements. If that's something that you want to learn more about, then you know what to do, right, girlie? Keep on watching.
Don't even know my name, but she wanna know the game. She thinks that I'm a
So in today's video, hello everybody! As you know, and if you've clicked on this video, then you must have a breastfed baby. Then you know that your breastfed baby must have a vitamin D supplement. And this is no artificial colors or flavors and has the daily amount of vitamin D recommended by the American Academy of Pediatrics, which is required for 1 milliliter per day. So every day your little one will have this. And just to let you know, this is the recommended usage of vitamin D supplement for daily, exclusively and partially breastfed babies because of below average levels of vitamin D in breast milk. Once again, if you're breastfeeding your little one, we have low to little amount of vitamin D in our breast milk, and this is just an extra amount that is necessary. For a baby that is receiving formula, they will have that vitamin D already in there, so they are receiving. Therefore, if you are giving your baby formula already, there's no need to supplement with a vitamin D. This will only be for a mom who is breastfeeding or partially breastfeeding. Once again, if you're formula feeding, there's no need to supplement. The benefits of having vitamin D is it helps your baby's body absorb calcium for strong bones and teeth, and it complements your breast milk to help provide optimal nutrition for your baby. So those are the benefits of supplementing with a vitamin D itself. In this, it also says that you may give your vitamin D supplement, you can dispense it directly into the baby's mouth. You can also mix it with breast milk or formula, I suppose, if your formula does not have the vitamin D supplement already in it, or fruit juice, cereal, or other foods to increase your baby's acceptance. Always great to have a little dropper. That way you can give it to your baby directly. So that's always a great thing to have that dropper. And get this thing opened. Trying to get it to 1. Okay, it's not. Okay, let's let this thing out. Okay. Ooh, you see that? She needs to be coaxed. Ooh, that was yummy, huh? Ooh. Ooh, yes, girl. Yes, mama. Yes. All right. It was not the easiest process to get her to take her supplement. It definitely was not the easiest, but it's a dirty job and someone has to do it, and that's mama that ends up having to do this. And that's the end of today's video. I demonstrated how to give your little one their 1 milliliter of a vitamin D supplement, and we are using the Infamil brand, and this brand, like I said, is It does not have any flavor or any color, and I like that because she got a little bit out of her mouth, and of course we don't want things that's gonna stain our baby's clothing. Well, okay guys, that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment. And remember, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah! Mwah, mwah, mwah. Smooches until next time, y'all. Bye-bye. Ciao.